In the quaint little town of Pineville, a sprightly puppy named Scout was on a mission to uncover the world's many wonders, one tail wag at a time. Today, a mysterious sound had piqued his curiosity, the doorbell. Every time it chimed, Scout's ears perked up like antennae, and he danced around the room with boundless excitement, convinced it was a magical game inviting him to play. His tiny paws skidded across the polished floor as he barked with glee, imagining the doorbell as a signal for a new adventure. Much to his delight, the door would swing open, revealing a friendly face. With each visitor, Scout would wag his tail so hard it seemed ready to take flight, believing he had conjured these friends with his enthusiastic barks. One day, after a particularly jubilant doorbell performance, he was rewarded not just with a visitor but with a gentle pat and a biscuit. Scout's eyes sparkled as he realized